Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 7, OV 12. आज्ञे सरसा ताजा झाला, 4 दिवस ठेवही दिधला, 5वे दिवशी खाली काढिला, नाही मनाला सुख दुःख. According to his orders, the Tajia was built. It was kept for 4 days and on the 5th day was asked to be removed. He had no feeling of either pleasure or displeasure. अविंध म्हणता विंधित कान, हिंदू म्हणता सुनता प्रमाण, ऐसा ना हिंदू ना यवन, अवतार पावन साईंचा. If he was a Muslim, he had pierced ears. If he was a Hindu, he believed in circumcision. Thus, neither Hindu nor Muslim, such was the sanctified avatar of Sai. हिंदू म्हणावे जरी तयास, मशिदीत सदा निवास, यवन म्हणावे तरी हुताश, अहर्निश मशिदीत. If he was a Hindu, he lived always in a masjid. If he was a Muslim, there was the sacred fire burning day and night in the masjid. मशिदीत जात्याचे दळण, मशिदीत घंटाशंख वादन, मशिदीत अग्निसंतर्पण, मुसलमान कैसे हे. In the masjid itself was the grinding stone on which the grinding was done. In the masjid, the bells would chime and the conch would be blown, and in the masjid, the offerings to the sacred fire were made. What kind of a Muslim was he? मशिदीत सदैव भजन, मशिदीत अंतसंतर्पण, मशिदीत अर्घ्यपाद्य पूजन, मुसलमान कैसे हे. In the masjid, there were recitations of bhajans always, free distribution of food, offerings to God, worship of feet and puja. What kind of a Muslim was he? म्हणावी जरी म्लेच्छ जाती, ब्राह्मणोत्तम पूजन करीती, अग्निहोत्री लोटांगणी येती, त्यागुनी स्फिती सोहळ्याची. If he be called a Muslim, then the elite of Brahmins would come and do his puja. The Agnihotris would prostrate to him, having surrendered their pride of purity to him. ऐसे जन विस्मित चित्ती, पाहू येती जे जे प्रचिती, तेही तैसेची आपण वर्तती, मूग गिळती दर्शने. In this way, people were astonished at heart. Whatever they would experience, they would behave accordingly and keep silent at the time of darshan. तरी जो सर्वदा हरीसी शरण, त्या काय म्हणावे हिंदू वा यवन, असो शूद्र अतिशूद्र याती विहीन, जाती न प्रमाण अणुमात्र. So long as a person is surrendered to God, can he be called a Hindu or a Muslim? He may be of a low birth or low caste or without a caste, that is, outside the pale of society. Caste is not the criteria of importance for him. नाही जयासी देहाभिमान, असो हिंदू वा मुसलमान, सकल वर्णा समसमान, तया न भिन्नपण जातीचे. One who does not have body consciousness, whether he is a Hindu or a Muslim, for him all castes and creeds are equal. The discrimination born of caste is not applicable to him. फकीर पंक्ति सी मांस भोजन, अथवा यदृच्छा मत्स्य सेवन, तेथेची तोंड घालिता श्वान, विटे नमन जयाचे. He took meat with the fakirs, or on his own ate fish, and would not be disgusted even if a dog put his mouth into his food. चालू वर्षाचा धान्याचा साठा, कृषीवल करीतो बांधोनी मोटा, की पुढील साली आलिया तोटा, वेळी पुरवठा होईल. A farmer stores grains obtained in the current year by building storehouses so that in case there is a shortage in the next year, it would prove useful.